Habari ya asubuhi ya kila mmoja. Mimi ni mwendeshaji wa pikipiki hapa Nairobi, na kuna mambo mawili matatu ningetaka nyinyi ambao mmechaguliwa muyasikie. Sana sana naelekeza katika kitengo cha juu ambacho ni cha urais. Mheshimiwa Rais mteule Samuel Arap Ruto. Ile kitu nataka nikwambie ni kwamba kuna ile kitu sasa unasikia ndani ya roho yako. There is that feeling in your heart right now. That feeling you're feeling that you have a certificate but you cannot be given the office. You have the certificate but you have not gotten the job. But you have the certificate. The same feeling imekuwa kwa Wakenya. Over 10 million Kenyan youth, 10 million Kenyan youths wamekuwa na hiyo feeling kwa miaka mingi. They went to school, their parents, gave it all until some of them died of pressure and other related to stress diseases. But after doing all this, jobs are being bought in Kenya. Vacancies are being bought in Kenya. You have seen it yourself, Your Excellency, at the county where Simba Arati just won the seat. How many ghost workers were there? There were many than the actual members who are employed legally. So that is how Kenya is. So what we are looking forward is to tell you, I don't know if you get to that office, because you are not yet there. We voted you in, but justice must prevail for every Kenyan. So what I'm telling you, or maybe what I'm just trying to frame here, is that you have a certificate but you cannot access the office. The same case, millions of Kenyans, they have certificates, they are qualified, but they have never gotten a job. Some are even 50 years plus since they left the school. But they have not gotten a job. This is the Kenya we are living in. You have the certificate, you have the degree, you have the diploma, you have all what it takes. But securing a position in this country, it is not a joke. Now that you have the certificate, as you wait for the office, I want you to carry that feeling and put yourself in the shoes of the Kenyans whom have been looking for a job kwa hiyo muda yote. For you, you're lucky. It's just less than a month and you can experience a painful moment. Now that moment has been dwelling in Kenyans' mind and hearts. What I'm telling you, or maybe what I'm trying to say here, is when you get into the office, please try to do the right thing. Because this government that you have been in, Kenyan has been feeling the same. Because opportunity has been given to the members of the family, members of the close friends. They don't care whether they are qualified or they are not qualified. You saw somebody was given a vehicle and he has been receiving salary for a driver, but that guy cannot drive. You saw it at the place of Simba Arati. What I'm trying to phrase here, please, we went out, we gave you votes, we voted you overwhelmingly. So when you go there, let us see the difference between dynasties and a hasra. Let us see the difference between somebody who have tasted poverty, hunger, somebody who has slept hungry. Let's see the difference from those who have never even, they don't know how to sleep hungry feels. They don't know, they don't feel, they don't know, they have no idea. Let us see the difference. There are people from other places of this country. They have never tasted peace. All their life they have been like, foreigners in their own land, in their own areas. Please, I beg you, let's have a praise in your heart. Let's have a praise when you get the office. The Bodaboda people, like you campaigned. The Mama Mbogas, yes. Those who went to school, and I'm not one of them, because I have a job. Those who went to school, they have their degrees at the liquor shop, at liquor dens. Those who are now on Chengan dens, yet they have their degrees, diplomas, and all the certificate and all what it takes to have a good job in Kenya. Fight corruption in the procurement. Let's see that, and we wish you well. We wish you well.